Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify stock sale reporting from Robinhood for taxes in TaxAct, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify stock sale reporting from Robinhood for taxes in TaxAct, start by logging into your Robinhood account. Navigate to the Account tab located at the bottom right corner of the app. From there, select Settings in the menu. Scroll down and click on Tax Documents. Locate and download your 1099 form for the current tax year. Open the downloaded 1099 form to review your stock transactions. Take note of the gains and losses reported on the form. Next, log into your TaxAct account. From your TaxAct dashboard, choose Start New Return if you haven't already begun. Once your return is open, navigate to the Income section. Look for Investment Income and click on it. Select Stocks, Bonds, Other. Here, you will be prompted to enter your stock sale details. Refer back to your Robinhood 1099 form for accurate information. Input the sales proceeds, cost basis, and any relevant dates for each transaction. TaxAct may guide you through additional questions regarding your investment income. Ensure all data entered is accurate and reflects your Robinhood report. Continue through TaxAct to review other income sources. After completing your income entry, you can move to deductions and credits if applicable. Once finished, review your entire return before submission. Verify that all stock transactions align with your Robinhood 1099. Finally, make sure to save and submit your TaxAct return according to IRS guidelines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.